And welcome to this episode from Maker.io. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the PIR Motion project, which essentially is a voice-controlled security system. Now, the way the system works is we have an Arduino Uno connected to an EasyVR 3.0 shield. We also have this whole system connected to a PIR motion sensor, and we also have an external buzzer circuit. Now, the way this project works is quite simple. The PIR module will send an output when it detects a change in body heat. This signal is then detected by the Arduino Uno, which then triggers the buzzer circuit. While the buzzer sounds to alert nearby people that the system has been triggered, the EasyVR shield looks for the specific stop command, and when it receives this command, it sends it to the Uno, which in turn disables the alarm. So now that we've seen how this circuit works, it's time to actually see it in action. Now, to power the system, I'm going to use a USB-B cable, but before I plug this in, I'll give you a quick hint as to what's going to happen. Now, when the system powers up, the Uno will buzz the buzzer about 10 times, and this is to give me a chance to sort of keep my hands away from the sensor while everything configures. So we're going to go ahead and power up the system, keeping my hands well away from the module, the PIR module that is. With the system activated, all we have to do now is put something warm across the PIR sensor and the alarm should sound. Like that. And then to simply turn off the sound, all we have to use is the stop command. Stop. Well, that's all we have time for today in this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.